Hey guys, welcome to another episode on the Nate SRT YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk about just a few reasons. It's going to be a quick video of why I got this lift behind me. So the lift I got, it's a hydraulic lift. I use it for maintenance, but why did I choose to get this? All right, so let's get into it. So number one reason I got the lift, I like to do my own maintenance on my cars. And why I do my own maintenance on my cars, I feel like it saves time, so I don't have to go somewhere, I don't have to take the car somewhere, I don't have to wait for my car to be done. I can just do it myself, and typically it takes me less time for something simple like an oil change. Number two, why I like to do my own maintenance is I know exactly what's being done on the car. I know the type of oil that's going into the car. I know the quality of the oil when it's coming out of the car. I know the type of filter I'm using, and I know it was done right. So long time ago, I remember my dad had taken his car to get repaired. It was running kind of rough. The guy told him it needed a new distributor cap, charged him for that. When he came home and he popped the hood, he noticed that all he had done was taken the old distributor cap, spray painted it, and put it back on. So I just don't want to deal with that. And number three is I can check for other things when I'm under the car. So I was doing an oil change on my wife's car a while ago, and I noticed that her splash pan was loose. Just a couple of clips, 25-cent clips, popped them back in, everything was fine. If I hadn't known that, and if whoever did the maintenance didn't take care of that, that splash pan could have come loose, and then I'd be looking at a much larger bill to get a replacement splash pan. So the next reason I got a lift, I hate being under the car. So I like to do maintenance, covered that, but I hate being under the car while it's on jack stands. I'm jacked up. There's just not a lot of space on there. It's not a real comfortable place to be. Here I can put the car up on a lift and I can sit comfortably under the car on a stool while I'm taking my time doing whatever I need to do. The next reason I decided to get a lift, I wanted to stack cars. So at the time I got this lift, I had the STI, and so I was hoping I was going to be able to put the STI on top in the garage above the Hellcat. I knew it was going to be tight. The guy that sold me the lift said it probably wasn't going to work. And in the end, because of the way that the ladder locks are on these lifts, so the ladder locks are what basically the lift rests on right now. I don't know if take you guys around here and you can see it, but inside the lift, you have this type of ladder system, right? And so when the lift is up, you want it resting on those and not resting on the hydraulics, just in case there's a hydraulic failure. And because of that, the lift only has, it has certain points, it's a ladder. So because of that, I was about 6 inches shy of getting the Subaru to be stacked on top of the Hellcat, and there really was no way, no economical way to raise the roof. So I didn't end up doing it, but maybe with shorter cars, it would have been possible. Yeah, and so really the last item is on this car, the stock OEM clutches on the Hellcat are known to be pretty soft, so I know I'm gonna have to replace it. But when that time comes, I would like to do it myself, and the lift will give me the ability to be able to just have the car up on the lift for a prolonged amount of time while I take my time to do that clutch, since it will be the first time I will replace a clutch on a car. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. Just wanted to give you some insight on why I chose to buy this lift. Maybe you're thinking about doing something similar and this video could help you out. I'll do some more videos on things you need to consider if you are going to buy a lift. Some things I wish I had known. But that's it for today. If you enjoyed this, please click like. If you want to see more stuff, click subscribe. Bye.